Hello guys, I'm just showing you here my thoughts on this Mavic Pro 2. You can see the 1-inch sensor semi um, wide angle view here, and also my Auto Evo, and you can see my wide angle view, and the field of view here is pretty wide. You can see, I'm just showing you here. I'm not trying to really comparing it, but I'm just giving you guys the idea of the wide angle that you can actually put everything in the frame. And also in the Mavic Pro 2 here, I'm just gonna show you here another wide angle. That's the reason why I'm trying to show it to you guys. And you can see two people here. Now this is the Mavic 2, the dolly effect zoom, and you can see here, and I'm also doing it on Anavi. This is actually the Anavi zoom here. You guys can also see. I'm not really comparing it, but I'm just showing you, what's the effect. And this is how DJI put this in the market. So it's my thought, you gotta have a handheld gimbal here. I mean, you can see the kid is running, and he's not even a big kid, he's a small guy, and I don't think active track can even get close to that. So to my opinion, it's gotta be a handheld gimbal. And again guys, here you can see in the theater, this is like a concert, and actually you can actually fly your drone. Come on, there's no way. I don't know why DJI is putting this in the market. And also can the drone fly in a low light just like this. So you know how that is when once you start flying your drone like this, and people's gonna start flying their drones too. So that means, are we allowed to fly in the mall? Are we allowed to fly everywhere else? And also you can see here, can the obstacle avoidance works at night? I mean, they're showing it here, it's flying at night. So anyway, this is my thought. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.